an energetic process for shifting and clearing a particular challenge in your life. Take a moment to identify that one aspect of your life that you are wanting to shift. And just make a note of that. And then as you hold that awareness, this is what I'm wanting to shift. I want to shift the vibration, shift the behavior, shift the perspective, shift your response. Shift your response to it, your reaction to it. Shift the reality of it. Now taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. We invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self in teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference a dimension where you, soul rider, your body and your teams, your guides and advisors can all sit in council, reflecting upon this particular aspect of your life that you are wanting to shift at this time. And you're just holding space for some energetic aspect of you, some energetic aspect of your body, your teams, your guides, your advisors, that wise counsel, to all sit and reflect upon what is the first vibrational, the tiny little vibration that needs to start shifting inside yourself, inside the body, inside each member of your team, inside the guides that help you start shifting this current reality. And you're just looking at a very slight micro vibrational shift in another dimension. And then as some energetic aspect of you, soul rider, your body and your teams determine that appropriate, very subtle vibrational shift, also determine the appropriate vibrational grid that needs to be woven, a vibrational fabric that carries a consciousness, sounds, colors, and light that could be relayed from your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, down your tunnel of light, repatterning that vibrational sound, light, fabric in the tunnel of light, coming down through the back of the skull, the occiput, the back of the neck, into the divine line of you, soul rider, and your body, Deva, into your energetic fields, very slowly bringing in a different vibrational frequency that begins to shift this way of being, perceiving, reacting, responding, perception. And it's a very subtle vibrational shift that starts to come into being in your energetic fields, into your divine line for you, soul rider, for your body, for your teams, bringing it in for them in their individual divine cosmic loops, weaving a different vibrational way of being, which then creates different behavior, reactions, response, desires, thought forms. And then taking a deep breath in, relaxing the body, allowing for a gentle integration of that subtle vibrational shift far beyond the mind that starts to create a different way of being with this particular aspect of your life, behavior, reaction, response, perception. And then as that integrates, taking another deep breath, holding your energy and awareness in your divine line, inviting your higher self, body to his higher self and teams to update your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive, and all dimensions where you express yourself. Letting that integrate, reflecting that into your roots, into your Merkabah disc, into your fields and all dimensions where you express yourself. That subtle micro vibrational shift. Oh.